Itemine ria gukinyaneria mutaratara mwero wa mathomo wa CBC, thirikari ni igathikite ciringi bilioni 12.8 iria ikuhuthika gwaka irathi 15,000 guothe bururi-ini niguo kunina muhatikano wa ciana mathukuru-ini ma junior secondary mwaka ukite. Ndeto eno iheanitwo ni Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu hindi ya kurekereria maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCSE kia mwaka muhituku, riu akiuga mwaka ukite thukuru cia junior secondary igakorwo na muhatikano munene thirikari igiaga kwibanga.
To preempt this crisis, the government is set to spend 12.8 billion to facilitate the construction of classrooms in the junior schools in conjunction with members of parliament. Through these funds, we expect to have 15,015 classrooms ready for use in junior schools for grade 9 next year.
Machogu ohonioritie ruhonge rwa kuramata mitaratara ya mathomo guku bururi-ini KICD rwike mituki kugacirithia mutaratara wa CBC kuringana na mendekithia ma kamiti ya mwanya iria yacaguritwo ni president guthurima mutaratara uyu mweru, undu umwe na guthurima mabuku maria mekuhuthika niguo gutigira muoroto wa CBC ni wakinyanira.
Ministry of Education has rationalized the number of learning areas and the curriculum designs in terms of scope and integration of subjects within learning areas as a way of eliminating content overload and overlaps in the basic education. The ministry has already issued instructions to schools to ensure that the implementation of these changes starts with effect from today in all schools hosting CPC runners.
Machogu ni athiete na mbere kwanirira mutaratara mwero wa uria arutwo mari makagirwo igeranio naguo ari ni hamwe na kunyihio kwa mathomo mao muhaka maria marageragio kigeranio-ini kuma mathomo 5 nginyagia mathomo 2 maria nimo mathabu na ithomo rimwe ria language gatagati ga githungu githweri kana kwaria na ciiko. Mathomo maya 2 maricokaga magaturanirwo na mathomo 5 maria murutwo ekite wega niguo kumuhe grade ya kigeranio.
It is clear from the new grading system that the ministry is now focusing on ensuring that our candidates are mandatory literacy, English or Kiswahili, and the numeracy skills, mathematics to enable them pursue their careers in TVET institutions, universities and colleges.
Okaide-ini kau murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani Nancy Macharia ni yanirire thirikari ni kuhambia arutani 36,000 ngathi na yandiki arutani angi 20,000 eru thiini wa mwaka ukite wa kigina gia thirikari.
Ideally, the number of teachers required this year in junior school is 99,045 against the current number of 56,928.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya kuramata igeranio guku bururi-ini NEC David Jagere ni yaniriire arutwo aria mareka kigeranio gia form 4 mwaka uyu na aria mareka kigeranio kia grade 6 nikio KPSEA matikuongererwo ihinda ria kwiyandikithia.
We want to appeal to all the school principals to please make sure that all eligible candidates are registered inside that period of 2 months. 2 months is adequate to register all the candidates.
Hado-ini ha Kameme TV, Njoroge wa Kimani.